Hello guys, welcome to the stream. So guys, today we will revise the KMP algorithm. So wait a moment. Today I'm busy in some work, so that's why I'm not revising. So I will start revising here. And I already completed some of the string portion. And after completing the string, I am jump to the what we call to the questions, right? So before that, we are doing 5 questions at least. Okay, yeah, 5 questions. So, wait a moment. I have to open it. Am I audible? Am I audible or not? Mm, I already completed this. I have to start with, basically, I have to start with this. Yep, buddy. Welcome. Welcome. So, first question is that I already done it before, but let's repeat this. So, basically, this is a sliding window question. And yeah, longest substring, I already completed it. So I will just tell you that how this question has been done. So we are given a string, right? We have given a string. And now what we have to do, we have to return the longest substring, which has all the distinct characters, or right? So basically, if we see that here it is ABC, ABC, AB. Now, if I see that, what is the longest string which has all the distinct characters? So I will see that, yo, what's up, bro? Fine, buddy. How are you? And how's your day going? Okay, so I've seen here, okay, the longest string which has all the distinct characters is basically ABC, right? So I will return that, okay, the length. Why वो maths required for contest वाली video? Yeah, uh, I will create that video today because I get time today only because there is too much work to do. So that's why I am busy. So I got time on Sunday, so I will create it tomorrow. So after that, I will upload it. Right? So okay, I will tell you that how this question has been solved. So basically, what I will do, I will see that okay, this is basically my longest string. So here we not much. It's normal. Are you pursuing software engineer? Yep, yep. I am. I am pursuing software engineer. Mm, so basically what I have to do, I have to use a pattern called sliding window here. So what I will do, I will take two pointers. One pointer that will track that what all characters are basically tracked. Okay. What is track means? So basically what I will do here is, wait a moment. Why this pointer got stuck? I don't know. Wait a moment. Wait a moment. So I will see that okay, I is there and J is there. So basically there are two pointers. One pointer will move and check if that character will come previously or not. If it will not, if this character is not coming previously, what I will do, I will check the length. Okay, so what is the longest let till I get the all till I get the longest sentence or longest substring which is all the distinct characters. So if I see here that okay, I will create a tracking table here. So in tracking table there is A, B. I will store all the characters that are distinct here. So I will get A, B, C. So basically there are three distinct characters, right? Wait a moment. Okay, so what I will do here is, okay, I will see, so initially there is an array which stored that what are all the characters that are tracked previously. So none of them are tracked previously. So what I will do, I will see that, okay, will A tracked previously? No. So I will store it. I will tell that, okay, now A has been tracked. I will move my J pointer. Now the longest length that I get till now will be 1. Okay, after that I will move my pointer and I will see, okay, will B tracked? No, B will not track. So I will mark this to be a tracked and then increase the length that this is the longest substring in which all the characters are distinct. Right. After that, I will move my J again and I will see, okay, C is tracked. No. So I will mark this to be a track and then increase the length. That the three length string is the longest string till I get, which has all the distinct characters. So after that, I see, okay, A is there. So if A is there, and if I consider this string, so it has basically A comes two time, right? So I have to remove one time. I have to remove one time. Here you go. I have to remove this letter, right? So how will I remove it? To make all the to make a string which has all the distinct characters. So what I will do, I will move my I pointer till I not get this A to be an untracked. It means that 0. So I will see that, okay, on I, what is the letter present? So I will see, okay, A is present. So I will mark this to be untracked. And after that, I will move my I pointer. Then I will see, will J, J is tracked? No, J is, so I will see what is J. So J is basically A. So I will see that, okay, A is not tracked. So I will mark this to be a track and again calculate that what is the longest string I will get. So I will see, okay, the longest string, bro, nobody. No, I'm not. I'm not. I'm a backbencher. So what I've seen here is, okay, I will get A here, which is tracked now, and the longest length, which has all the distinct characters. So that will be 3. Okay. So previously the string will be 3. So what I will do, I don't have to do anything, and then I will move my J pointer. After that, I will see, okay, B is there. Will B has been tracked previously? Yeah, it has been tracked. So I will mark this. So what I will do, I will stop there and move my I pointer till the B is not untracked. So I will see, okay, what I will hold. Okay, so I will hold B here. So I will untrack it and then move I pointer. Okay, now B is basically untracked. So as this is untracked, what I will do, I will see, okay, B is untracked. I will mark this to be a tracked and then calculate what is the total length. So basically it has been 3. So I will move my J pointer. Again, I will get C. I will see, okay, this is tracked. So I will move my I pointer till C is not untracked. So I will move my I pointer before moving, I will mark this to be a untracked, and then what I will do, I will stop there. I will see what is the longest length, so it should be 3. So again, I will move a pointer here. Now after that, I will check. Uh, I will check. Okay, will A is untracked? No. So I will move my I pointer till A is not untracked. Okay, so I will see. Okay, what I will hold. So I will hold A. So this has been untracked, and I will move my I pointer here. After that, I will see, okay, whatever the value that is present at J has been untracked. So I will mark this to be a track and then calculate what is the total length I get. So the total length, which is all the distinct characters, is 3. So it means that I don't have to update the length. So I will move it. After moving, hi bro, what? Hmm. Hi bro, how are you? Fine, buddy. How was your day? Ah, so I've seen here, okay, basically I will move my J pointer again, and after that I will see, okay, B is there. Will B has been tracked? Yeah, it is tracked. So I will mark this. I will don't do anything, and I will move my I pointer till B is not getting untracked. So I will see, okay, what I hold. So I will hold B. So it has been untracked. I will move my I pointer here. Bro, stop LARPing. You are just trying to hide it. But knowledge is say it all. I was thinking that I am a front bencher or I am a topper because it is my brother. He already know that I am a backbencher. I mostly sit on the last chair or in the last, and mostly I will not prefer to study in college. That's why. Hmm. Okay, so I see that okay, B is there, and after that, what I will do? I will move my J pointer here, and will I move my J pointer? No. I will place my J pointer here, and now I will see okay, B is there, and B has been untracked, so I will mark this to be a track, calculate the length, and then after that J has been. So if I see here that what is the maximum length that I get? So the maximum length that I get here is 3. So what is my answer? Basically, it is 3, right? So as it is 3, what I will do here is that I do the same thing. So what I know that I have to track the variables. Okay. So max to max, it is given that there is an English letter, there is a digit, symbol, spaces. So if I see that, okay, the ASCII characters has 128 values and the Unicode character has 256 value. So max to max, the array size will be, which I created as to get tracked array. Okay, it has maximum size up to 256. Right, so that's why what I will do here is that I will create that array because it will take the space complexity of big of 1. Fine. So I will create it. You are it tries to. I guess sliding window will work. Yeah, yeah. I applied. It tries to be a backbencher. No, I don't know why you are thinking that I am a front bencher, but it's okay if you are thinking that's your opinion. I guess slide, yeah, it will work. So I will create a tracked array here, and now what I will do, I will take int I here. Okay, I is 0, and then I will use there is for int I. Basically, I have to take j here. J is less than n, and then what I will do, j plus plus, and after that, what I will do, when I found that any of the character, what I will do, I will use the track array. Okay, inside the track array, what I will do? I will take whatever the element that I have and increase that. Okay, I will get the value. And after that, I will calculate that maximum length. And what is the maximum length? The maximum length till now. And then, as I want to get the maximum length, what I will do? I will do j minus I plus 1. Right. So, as I know, okay, I will return what? I will uh, return what? Max length. Mm, wait a moment. Max length. Fine. So after that, int max length, which is 0. Now, if I get the character, I will mark this to be a tracked and then calculate the maximum length. So what if I get that character again? So I have to move that I variable, right? So how will I move it? So while s of basically I go inside the track and and see that okay, will if it is not equals to 0, what I will do? I will move my I pointer, right? So how will I move it? So I will take this and subtract whatever the value it will have and then move I here, right? Which year are you in and are you pursuing BTech in CSE? Yeah, I am pursuing BTech, not in CSE. I am basically pursuing BTech in artificial intelligence and machine learning. Specialization, something like specialization. He's No, I'm not in first year, buddy. You're totally wrong. Okay, I am in fourth year. My third year is completed just now. And now I am in fourth year. Okay, so I have to write okay J here. That's the main issue. I think so this will work fine. What's the issue? I will see that okay. Uh okay. I will see okay J is there And now if I see, okay, Sj, if it is not equals to 0, not equals to 0, it means that uh, it has been tracked. So I will move my eye pointer till this value is not untracked, right? So, but yeah, uh, oh, wait a moment, I have to think. Oh, not n basically. It's basically 256, right? That's the issue. Yeah. भैया बात करके पढ़ रहे हैं. Yeah. So basically, this is basically I was revising my notes. Okay, and I will take the question, and whatever the question that has been come, I will try to explain that question. So what I have to do here is, okay, longest substring I already done this. Okay, already done this, done this, done this. Programming Mogger, bro, since when you are doing programming? Basically, my father is also programmer. So basically, I was doing programming since I was 5 to 6 year old. Hmm. What? Mm, I used map. Oh, don't use that STL libraries because in interview they will tell you to don't use whatever the STL library is. Then you have to solve with something else. So you must know the second way also, that how you can solve without map or set or something. So okay, so there is an algorithm called KMP algorithm. Basically, that is a string matching algorithm, and I don't know from where I have learned that. He tells me that, okay, this is the toughest or the hardest algorithm in whole data structure. I don't know how, but that is. So uh, let's try. So what I have to do at string matching, uh, his tag and his tag and needle. Hello, buddy. Hello. Welcome to the string. And how was your day? So I have already done this. Okay, so let's revise it again. So what happened is we have given a string, right? So we have given a string. So let's use xylit. Mm, So I don't know. When I open the string, it will take time. But when I note, okay, finally it's open. I am new here. Okay, welcome. So what? आज एल्गो zenith first class है excited. Oh, nice. Nice. Hope they teach well. I think so. They will become good at programming and then everything will be fine. Mhm. Okay, so if I see here that we have given two strings, right? We have given two string. Let's copy this, whatever the string is. Okay, lead code 2486. Okay, after revising this, I will try. I will try. Bro, I'm in first year, bro. Where should I start coding? My branch is ESC. So if you want to, I told you, you can't hide a decided the same course I started on a long journey at the end of 11th class. Now I'm in college. What? Uh, Start coding. My branch is ESC. If you want to start coding, first you have to select that where you have to go. For that, you have to explore the fields. What all fields are there in a computer science? Like there are many fields like web development, machine learning, data science, software engineer, cybersecurity engineer, and all of this. So you have to figure out that where you have to go. Then after that, you have to understand that what you have to learn. Then according to that, you have to learn. Like if I, as I am learning DSA here and competitive programming, and if I tell you that, okay, learn this, then maybe you don't get interest and after some days you leave that. So I will suggest you, please explore the fields. Ask from GPT or Gemini that what all fields are there in the computer science. And after that, you have to explore that field, that what all are the opportunities present in that field. Switch. That's why I told you can't I do programming. I wish I had the same path, started my programming journey. But why you are taking microbiology? मुझे CPP नहीं आता. What? I know Java. That's fine. Both have same syntax. If we see that for loop, if else class, both have same syntax. There is no difference between them. Best is vibe coding. Your job security will be 0% by next 4 years. Vibe coding is too much dangerous. If you do inside a company, most probably. Because vibe coding engineers don't know how to manage security. And that's the biggest risk in a industry. I also love DSA and competitive programming. Python or CPP. CPP. So you can start there. It will take time, much time. I know programming, but I don't know DSA because DSA and programming are two different things. Both are not same. Like like here we have to use our logic and we have to write that logic in any format. Like we can use any of the language. Like we can also use Kotlin to write whatever the DSA code is. So they are two different things. Programming and that DSA or competitive programming. Programming is simple, but competitive programming is not. From where to learn competitive programming, bro? I would suggest that you can learn from either first you will learn that DSA portion, and then after that you can jump up to competitive programming. For that you have to learn. Okay, so you can learn competitive programming from a website called CP Algorithms, or you can also follow that GFG Competitive Programming Handbook. How to avoid coding while develop? Huh? What? How to avoid vibe coding while development? Close all the agents. Yeah, Codeforces is a good platform. You can also use AdCode. Both are good. You can use any of them. Okay, and how to avoid vibe coding? So, avoiding vibe coding means off the agents and then try to blind code. That's the best thing you can do. That's what I can do. I can code here also. Can you? I can create server. I can build all the logic and then implement it on that exiled only. Thank you, bro. Which college you are in? I am in tier 3 college. So, okay, what we have to do that let's solve this question, okay? And after that we will talk. So we have given that, okay, find the index of the first occurrence in a string. So we have given a two string. One is his tag and second one is the needle. Mm, I hadn't I hadn't math in my 12. The college didn't give me any major like CS data science. Can I get job in future? Have my data science journey now doing embedded. Yeah, you can. Bola yeah, you can. But if you apply outside India only, then most probably. After learning DSA company, you can you can get a software engineer role. Basically, for any role, you have to give that. a DSA and competitive programming interview. And after that, you can get any role. Like you can get role according to what project you created or you made. Okay, so we will take this string and sad but sad. Okay, mm, sad but sad. And now we have second string that is sad. And now what we have to do? We have to return what is the first index from where this string has been created. Okay. So if I see here that okay, what is the brute force approach? भैया डोर एग्जाम दोगे क्या? क्या? Yep. From next to next year. Next to next year. Like on 2028, most probably. Okay, so what I've seen here is okay, I have to match this both of the string. And if the both string has been matched, what I will do? Mm, it will give you scholarship and stipend to study outside India and Russia and top college. Yeah, I want. I will try. Okay, so I have seen that okay, that first character has been matched. Okay. Now after that I have seen that okay, second character is also matched, third character is also matched. So as whole string has been matched, I have to return that from where this string has been started. Okay. So this string has been started from zero index. So I have to return the first index. Don't okay. So I have to return that okay, this is basically my from where the matching has been started. So I have to return this first index. Fine. So that is my brute force approach. And now basically I have to take an example. So if I see here what is the main problem? If I see if I take any other string, let me take any other string. So will any string as be given as an example? Okay, okay. So I will take A, B, C, D, E, F, A, B, C, D. Okay, and now we have to find EF. And there is also what I say EE there. Now EE and there is triple E, basically triple E, and then here I will find EF. Okay, and basically what I want EEEF. Okay, and now EEF. Now what I have to do, I have to find the pattern. Okay, I have to find the pattern basically that will this string is present inside that string or not. So one of the brute force approaches that what I can do here is wait. Mm, yeah. What are the brute force approach that I will do here is that I will take this string. Wait, I have to remove this. And then I will compare. Will A match with E? No. As A will not match with E, I will move this string. Now after that, I will check will this both pointers match? Yeah. No. Both pointers are not matched. So after that, I will see, okay, will this both characters matched or not? If I see here, no, both are not matched. Basically, both are matched. After that, I will see will E and F is matched? No. So it means that I don't have to start my string from that point. After that, wait a moment, I will take and move my string. Again, I will start matching. Will E match with E? Yeah. Will E match with F? No. So it means that this is not the first index. Okay. After that, again, I will move my string. I will see that, okay, wait a moment. Will E match with E? Yeah. Will F match with F? Yeah. So basically, at this point, my string has been matched. So I have to return the index. So what is the index? If I see here that, okay, this is basically 0, this is 1, then 2, this is 3, and the 4. So I have to return the index to be a 4. Return 4 as an answer, right? So this is the approach, which is the brute force approach. But what is the problem here? If I see, the major problem I see here is that suppose if this is a long string, okay. Now suppose if I take A, B, C, D, E, 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 and then F, and now what I have to do? E, 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 and then I will take B, and then E, 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 E. Yeah, I got 5E and then 6E. So I want to find that 6E inside this. So what I will do, I will start matching. So I will see, okay, will A match with E? No. So I will move it. Will B match with E? No. Will C match with E? No. Will D match with E? No. After that, I will see, will E match with E? Okay. Yeah, buddy. So I will see, okay, E matched with E, fine. So wait a moment. So it means that this has been matched, this has been matched, this has been matched, this has been matched, this has been matched. But this is not matched. So as this is not matched, what I will do? I will again move this string and again start comparing. Okay, again start comparing. So again I will compare, okay, this match, this match, this match, this match, this is not match. So again what I will do? I will move this. So if you see the problem that if at last point also, if the both strings are not matched, then I will move my second string and then again start comparing it from starting. So this is not a good idea because what it will take basically, firstly, I will iterate over and this string which has n length, and in each operation, I will also iterating in a worst case, it will take basically if the string size is n here, m here. So in a worst case scenario, what it will take? So it will take n into m time. So that is the real problem here. So what we will do, we will use basically what we will say that, okay, basically we will use a string matching algorithm called KMP algorithm here. Okay. So in KMP algorithm, what happen is we will pre-compute it. What we will pre-compute? So we will pre-compute that till which position the string has been matched. Okay. So rather than start comparing from starting, I will start comparing from a some point. So let's see how this will work. So for that, what we will do, first we will create an LPS table. So LPS table, what it will do? So LPS table will hold that what is the common prefix and common suffix till now. Fine. So let's create an LPS table for a string. So I have to consider some example. So what I will take? A, B, C, D, and then A, B, C, and yeah, this is fine. So basically, what is basically an LPS? If I say longest prefix suffix. So if I see, uh, wait, I have to take this ABC. I have to take the longest prefix suffix. Okay, and I have to return the length. That what is the longest prefix suffix that is common. And what I have to do, I don't have to consider the whole string. Okay, don't have to consider the whole string. So if I see that what is the longest, okay, so I will take that one prefix and okay, wait. So I will take CBA here. Our team with newbie, can you guide us? I will make a dedicated time. क्या बोलते हैं ना? अरे बढ़िया. अरे क्वेश्चन है. You can try. Find the index of the first occurrence in a string. This is easy, but this is not actually easy. I don't understand why this has been written that this is easy because this is a hard problem. If you don't know KMP algorithm, maybe you will solve, but that is not the optimal approach, I think so. Yeah, I can. I can. I get time on Sunday, so I will try to join Discord and I will guide you. Mm. So what I've seen here is what I have to calculate in an LPS table. I will store that what is the longest prefix and suffix till now. Yeah. Okay. So what I will do here is that okay, I will see that okay, this is basically the prefix till now, and what is the suffix till now? So I will see okay, both are same. So the longest prefix to suffix till now is one, which are common. So again, I will create another prefix, and I will see that what is the suffix. So I will see okay, BA. So basically, this is the longest prefix suffix which is common till now. So the length will be 2. After that, I again created ABC and then CBA. So I will see that okay. Uh, so I have to check. Okay, will this prefix suffix are common? Hmm? Can you write the brute force approach code after complete of this question? Yeah, I will. I will. I will try. So basically, will this be correct or wrong? Can you? Can someone tell me if this is correct or not? Whatever I written here, because I am not explaining. I am discussing. Okay. So I want to know if you know if this is correct or not. Well, the prefix suffix are equal or not? Hmm. Okay, this is correct. How AB is equals to BA? Mm, Wait a minute. I have to take a good example. I have, I have already written this. Let's take a good example. I don't have a good example. And on LeetCode also there is not any good example. Mhm. Mhm. Where is that? I have to take this. Okay. Suffix. Right. So let me take a good example. Hmm. So I have to remove this. Wait. It is little bit complicated to understand. I don't know. So I will take this string. Okay. I have to return that what is the longest common prefix and suffix. So if I see here that if I take A, this is suffix, basically prefix, and this is suffix, which are common. So I will take that. Okay. One is the longest common prefix suffix. After that, I will take this, and now I will take the suffix to be a this. So the longest suffix will be 2 length. After that, I will take that, okay, this is basically my prefix. And now I will see that what is my suffix. So suffix will be CAA, right? CAA. Will this are equal? So no, this is not equal. So basically, I will not consider it to be a length. So I will return it 0. After that, I will see AACA and the suffix will be ACAA. So if I see ACAA, they are not equal. So as such, they are not equal. The longest prefix suffix in this string is what? You have to compare last element suffix with the first element in prefix. Yeah. So I am also thinking that how actually I explain this. So okay. So if I see here, the longest prefix suffix in this string is that basically of length. Okay, length 2. So now what we do, we create a table. Okay. And inside that table, we will store that what is the longest common prefix suffix till now. Okay. So let me take one example that how we will create a. Okay. So this is a good example. I will take A, B. Wait a moment. A, B, C, A, B, C, A, B, D, A, B, D, A, B, C, A, B, C, A, B, C, A, B, D. Right. This is the string. And now what I have to do here is that I have to create an LPS table in which I got the longest common prefix suffix. Okay. So if I see that only this string, what is the total length of prefix suffix that is common till now? So the longest length of prefix suffix that is common till now will be 0 because I don't in a longest common prefix suffix we will not consider the whole string. So if I consider this whole string, the prefix and suffix are equal and length will be 1, but we will not consider it because we will never consider. भाई डेली का क्या आज का nobody. I am currently learning DP. So I started today. So that's why I am not trying. I will try it afterward. I will try it after some days when I completed DP. So I will see that, okay, I will see A is basically I will not get any common prefix suffix. After that, I will see if I consider this two string, what is the common prefix suffix till this position. So I will see the common prefix suffix till this position will also be 0 because there is no common prefix suffix. Now after that, I will see, okay, A, B, C. So in this three length string, what is the common prefix suffix? Yeah, buddy. Bro, I have doubt regarding project. Mm, हेलो हेलो जी केएमपी एल्गोरिदम एक्सप्लेन कर रहा हूँ भाई बड़ा डेंजर है समझाना इंग्लिश में सो आई हैव सीन दैट हम्म 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 निपटाओ निपटाओ ट्रू अच्छा तुमने पूरी वो यूज कर रहे हो क्या पूरी जो 40 वाली हाँ फिर तो 2 दिन अरे नहीं नहीं इतना नहीं। हम्म चलो फिर तो करो करो ट्राई Okay, so I will see. Okay, I have A, B, C as the longest string, and what is the common prefix suffix till now? It will be. I'm in high school. What? What? I'm in high school doing code forces. Oh, that's awesome, buddy. So I've seen that. Okay, the in this string, what is the long? Why? हम्म वो जब पता चल गया जब ही बढ़ गया हम्म so, hmm. So I will see that okay, the longest prefix suffix till now. So I will answer all the questions. Please let me explain this first. Wait a moment, guys. Okay. So I will see okay, if I see this string, what is the longest prefix suffix till now? So it has length to be a 2. If I see this string, the longest prefix suffix till now will be 0 because I got D here and this has been A, which are not equal. Hmm. Okay. So after that, I will see, okay, what is the longest prefix suffix till now? It should be 1. And then after that, if I consider this string, the longest prefix suffix till now will be 2. And after that, if I see what is the longest prefix suffix till now, it should be 3. Now, after that, if I consider this string, the longest prefix suffix till now will be 0. Why my audio is repeating? So it should be 1, right? And after that, if I consider this string, so the longest prefix suffix, oh wait, I have to consider this string, so it should be 2. And then if I consider this suffix and prefix, the longest substring will be what? So basically CBAC, and here if we see that CBC, wait a moment. Hmm. Wait a moment. So I will see that okay, C has been matched till here, and after that I have to check A has been matched, fine. And now this point B has been matched. If I see it's this point, the A will not match with C. So I have to consider this to be a zero. So will I consider this to be a zero? Mhm, 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 mhm. Will I consider this to be a zero or something else? Oh, let me think after that. Okay, so I will see that if I consider this point, the C and A has not been matched. Okay, C and A has not been matched. So what I will do? What 201234? What 000 12120 and this will be 4. I don't understand Hindi. I'm confused to dive in. What? But will this be zero or not? I want to know that. Will this be zero or not? I think so. It should be something else. Or will I take the wrong string? Wait a moment. I will see. Okay, A and B is there. So basically, I have to take C till this point. A, B, C, A, B, D. So I will take A, B, C, 1, 2, 3. Okay. So, okay. It should be 4, right? It should be 4. Because if I consider this, basically, this is meshed with this. So I have to take 4. And if I see that, okay, this has been meshed with what? A, B, C, right. So I have to take 5 here. And then after that, I will see that this has been meshed, and basically this has been meshed till here, and basically this is not meshed. Like I am into one, you should brag, bhai. No worries, एक क्वेश्चन दे रहा, वो ट्राई करिए. Yep. So I will see that okay, 5 is there. Then what I will do? I have to check that okay. What I will see that A has been meshed with this. Mm, wait a moment. So I will see okay, A has been meshed with this. Okay, and then I will see that okay, B has been meshed with this, C has been meshed with this, D, basically again I got A meshed with this, again B has been meshed with this, and then after that I will see D and C. So basically D and C is not matched. So as D is and C are not matched, what I will do? So I have to check that till which position or till which portion is already matched. I think so. Hmm? Huh. So I have to check. So I have to wait. So I have seen that okay, AB has been matched, AB has been matched. Now the problem is at this point. So will I write zero? Will I write something else? So I think so I have to write something else. What I have to write here? I have to see that till which point basically the string has been matched. So if I see here, I got ABC which has been matched previously. Okay, so three length string is matched previously. So what is the main problem here? The main problem I have seen here is that okay, if I consider that A both string A B C A B D, and now if I consider A B C A B C, I see that okay, this 5 length string is matched. This 5 length string is matched. Okay, and now I got the problem at this point. So I already know that till which position previously the string has been matched. So I will see that okay, what is the previous value of this? So I will start matching at that point. Okay, so I will jump from this point to this point only. So I will see that okay, I will jump to this point and start comparing from there if that match will not. So Basically, that what I have to do here. I'm seeing C here, so I have to return that, okay, three size string has been matched, and after that again I have to create. So I got, wait, three, and then what I will get after that, I know that, okay, A has been matched, so it should be four, and then it should be five, and then it should be six. So basically, what I have to understand here is, I think so, that at this point the matching has gone wrong. At this point, the matching has gone wrong. So as the matching has gone wrong at this point, I have to check that what is the previous position till where till where the string has been matched. So if I see that, okay, if I see in the LPS table, if I see in the LPS table, here it has been written at 2. So if I reach at 2 index, so I know that the 2 in string till 2 index has been matched previously. So I have to compare uh, string till this position has been matched previously, so I will jump up to that position, and then I think so I will start compare it again, that okay, will now it has been matched. So yeah, it has been matched now, and now what I will do, I will start comparing after that. So I will see, okay, A has been matched, now the B has been matched, okay, and now C has been matched. So at certain point, what I have to understand here is that, okay, I will create an LPS table, and at some point, if I get a mismatch, suppose if I get mismatch here, right? I got the mismatch here. So if I get mismatch here, what I will do, I will check that, okay, I have to check what is the previous substring which has been made. At what time you are live? I'm live from 7 onwards, 7 p.m. Okay, so I will see that, okay, what is the previous substring that has been matched. So I will jump up to that. That I will jump up to this position. I know that from this position the everything gone wrong. So I will jump till which position that has been matched previously. So I will jump up here and then again start comparing from that point. That okay, will this point has been matched? Yeah, this has been matched. So after that, I will again start comparing. So that's what I have to do in while creating a LPS table. And now let's create it. So what I have to do, I have to create a LPS table. So in LPS table, what I will do, I will take two pointers, int I is equals to 0, and then another pointer which is j is equals to 1. And after that, what I will do, I will take while I is less than what? Not I, basically it should be j. So this is the fixed code. You have to learn it, that how actually the KMP code has been written. Okay, how basically the KMP code has been written. Now after that, what I will do, I will create vector int LPS, and then it should be of n size. And now what I will do, I will see that, okay, well, Si is equals to Sj. If at any point, if Si is equals to Sj, what I will do, in an LPS of J, what I will do, I will write that, okay, this string has been matched, and then I will move I plus plus, I think so, and then J plus plus. And else what I will do, if I see that, okay, if I see that, okay, I is equals to 0, then it means that LPS of what? LPS of J is equals to 0, and then I will move J. And else what I will do, I is equals to LPS of I minus 1. That's what we have to do. What's KMP? So KMP is a string matching algorithm. You have to learn it. I think. Sure. We do you know Android app dev? I know little bit, not much. Like कितने क्वेश्चन आपके? Hmm. Discussion is going on. Like I am in two now, 2-1. Now थर्ड ईयर ऑन कैंपस के लिए क्या मैं पर्टिकुलर प्रोजेक्ट चूज करके उसके बारे में पूरा सीखने के लिए सीनियर्स के प्रोजेक्ट उठाकर उसे पूरा सीक्वेंशियल ऑर्डर के साथ पढ़ना है. So you have to understand that no one is asking you about the project in most of the cases, because everyone know that you created that project either using some tutorial or watching some lectures, right? So they will ask you about how to design database, how to manage scaling, how to manage latency. So that what all question that has been asked in I think so project interview. So you have to learn that how you scale your project. Mm, it's approx 330, 340. Most most of them are from lectures only. अरे कितना चीनी है इसमें? चीनी कहाँ है? अबे पूरे हाथ में चीनी लग गया मेरे. वही खा जा. आधा ही बचा है. हम्म. थैंक यू दे दे. हम्म. Uh, I am from Greater Noida. We also use find function in string to get result. So that's how I create an LPS. And after that, what I will do, I have to compare the string. Okay, so how would I compare it? So as I created the LPS table, so I have to create the LPS table of this string or something else. No, I have to create the LPS table of basically this needle. And after that, what I will do, I will take two pointers here, int a is equals to 0 and int, I think so, b is equals to 0. Okay, and b is, will be equals to 0, yeah. After that, what I will do, I will find that, okay, n is equals to stack dot size, and then I will take m is equals to, oh, I think so, I already declared. No. Mm, I will write it here, and then after that, what I will do, I will use the while loop here. Mm, while a is less than n and b is less than m, and if I see that, okay, if mm, what I will see, if I see that, okay, he is stack a stack of a is equals to needle of b, then what I will do, I move a plus plus and then b plus plus. Or else what I will do, I know that okay, they are not comparable. So if I see that okay, b is at 0, what I will do, I will move a plus plus, and else what I will do, b is equals to LPS of b minus 1. So that's what I will do. And then after that, I will check, okay, if b is equals to needle dot size, then one thing I will do is, okay, return what? Uh, a minus b. And otherwise, I will return minus 1. What? Bhaiya, have you ever had experience with disaster management topic on hackathon? Yeah. Okay, I got wrong answer. Wait. कौन से ईयर में हो? फोर्थ ईयर. मेरा सीसेप चल रहा है. ट्रिपल आईटी मणिपुर इन सीसेप फर्स्ट राउंड एंड आई एम लर्निंग डीएसए इन जावा. For past one and learn SQL and using Git and GitHub. Currently solving lead code problem based on pattern. Solve code forces. भाई चैनल नाम वेब डेव रख के डीएसए कर रहे. So I created this channel 3 years before, and most of the time, what I will do only development. Okay, and also I uploaded some videos of development on this channel, but after some time, I just get rid of it, and then after that, I will leave that development and jump to that DSA. So basically, I will start DSA just 2 to 3 months before. Before that, I was doing development only. Which lectures are falling, bro? ज़्यादा time नहीं दे रहा अभी. Juggling between C core, DSA project. First complete one thing, then after that focus on other thing. Don't do all of this stuff at same time. If you do this, भाई मैं second year में गया हूँ, just अभी DSA शुरू किया. I am too well late. No, bro, you are at fine position. Yeah. So I have to create, okay, I will take I and 1, and if I see, okay, LPS of J is equals to I plus 1, I plus 1, okay, if I see that, okay, I will be at 0, what I will do as LPS J is equals to 0, and then J plus plus I is equals to LPS I minus 1 is fine. After that, what I will do, I will got the wrong answer. Why? Because I got 6. Somehow I got 6, I don't know why. So I will see that, okay, if I see that, okay, will haystack is equals to needle. So if they are equal, I will increase both. Otherwise, what happen is if they are not equal, B is at 0. So if B is at 0, I will move my A pointer. Otherwise, what I will do? I will take the B and place it at B minus 1. Fine. So if I see that, okay, B is equals to needle size, then what I will do? I will do A minus B. So A is at some point and I will subtract B from it. So, oh, not, oh, not. This should be not. Okay. तो मैं सेकंड ईयर में हूँ. क्या पेड इंटर्नशिप करने सही रहेगी? पेड इंटर्नशिप, या इफ यू गेट, भाई शीट नेम बता दे. नीट कोड. नीट कोड. सो आपने कहाँ से सीखा डीएसए कोडर आर्मी फॉर हैकाथॉन मीटिंग? भैया, विल यू अवेलेबल एट 12 PM टुमारो? या बडी, आई एम. I have to check that what's wrong going on. Okay, so I will see. Okay, A is at some point, and what I have to do, I have to subtract basically B from it. Okay, because I know that what is B. I don't understand what's going wrong. LPS n comma 0, needle I is equals to, okay. Needle I is equals to needle what? I and J are two pointers. I will place at some points, and then there should be n. Oh, it should be. I understand what's going wrong. So basically, this is needle. If I see this is needle and this is M here because I create the table of this, and this also should be M. Paid internship, waste of money. Paid internship, either you get a money or you have to give the money. I mean, they are charging money. Oh, no, 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 no! Don't do that. Don't do that at all. I'm thinking that you got paid for doing the work. Don't do that. Never in your life. Neat code 150 or 250? 900. Okay, I will going to announce it in my server. Okay, you can. You can. I will message you in person too. Fine. Sorry, after first year. We have to give. Don't give your money to someone else for internship. You can do the work. Hmm. That's the biggest scam. Don't do this. भाई आपको कोड तंत्र है क्या कॉलेज में? What's that? They are just bunch of scammers यार. Bro, मेरे साथ पढ़ोगे? Hmm. Okay. So this question has been done, and now, mm, now the second question we will jump to is exactly similar, and we will consider this short palindrome. So this question is exactly similar to that previous one, and I already done this. Okay, so I will just explain and write the code. So what it is given in the question that we have to return that what is the biggest what is the character that I should add. मेरे टाइमिंग बहुत ऑड है ब्रो. कोड तंत्रा कोडिंग प्रैक्टिस प्लेटफॉर्म है. उसे कॉलेज असाइनमेंट जैसे करना पड़ता है. यूज उसे कॉलेज असाइनमेंट. नो, there is nothing in my college, and also I will not listen anything of my college. Like whatever they say, I do whatever I want. Should I apply for internship after first year if I make 4 to 5 good Android app project and basic concept and sequence? Yeah, you can. It's totally depend on if the college will give you NOC or not. Because if you are in tier 3, maybe the main problem is not the skills, the main problem is NOC. And they will give you NOC at that time only when the company is popular. So that's the main problem, if you see. आप आपका क्लास के टॉपर हो गया. नो. No. Okay. So what I have to do in this question is that we have given a string. Now, what we have to do, we have to convert this string into palindrome after adding some character in the front. So I have to tell that what all characters that I have to add so that it become palindrome. And after becoming palindrome, what is that palindromic string? Okay. So I will see AACE C triple A. Okay. So in this type of question, what is NOC? So there is a certificate that has been provided by a college that he will what I say? Wait a moment. Yeah, they will basically permit you to do the job in after first year. So basically that is a certificate, no objection certificate. Yeah. ब्रो इंटर्न पे सही है इंटर्नशिप के लिए द फर्स्ट ईयर. इंटर्न पे इंटर पे व्हाट्स दैट. So I will see that okay AACE CAA. So what I've seen here is I have to check that will this be what is the character that I should add so that it become palindrome. So for that what I will do, why I have messaged you in Discord. Okay, I will open it and see it later. Okay. Okay, so I've seen here is okay if I add A in front, then this string become palindrome. Intern पे. क्या हो गया? तुम क्या कह रहे हो? पनीर वनीर क्या कह रहे हो? पनीर खा लो. तुम क्या कह रहे हो? पनीर खा लो. आ, लेकिन इंडिया में पनीर स्कैम है. ओ. हाँ, वो जो घर वो वहां पे बनाते हैं वो सही है, मतलब मोस्टली तो मुझे लगा पैकेट वाला कह रहे हो. पैकेट वाला तो वो तो सही है. भैया मेरी तो इस ऑफ टॉपर्स हो डोंट थिंक दे आर. भैया मेरी टीम इज ऑफ टॉपर्स हो डोंट थिंक दे आर नॉट सीरियस. तो प्लीज. व्हाट. वेट अ मोमेंट. शेयर डिस्कॉर्ड का आई डोंट एबल टू फाइंड इट. इट इज इन डिस्क्रिप्शन यू कैन जॉइन देयर. तो प्लीज बोले हो तो आ जाना. या बड़ी. भैया मेरी टीम इज ऑफ टॉपर्स सो डोंट थिंक दे आर नॉट सीरियस. ना ना आ जाऊंगा आ जाऊंगा. मैंने जो बोला है वो मैं कर देता हूँ. टेक टेंशन. So I will see that okay, I have this string, and basically if I add only single character, okay, so this string become palindrome, and what is that character? That character is basically A. So for that, what we will do? We will check that what is the longest palindromic string that I found. Okay, longest palindromic string that I found. And what we have to do here is that first we have to create a double size string. Okay, we have to create a double size string and then we have to find that what is the longest LPS that I get. Okay, so basically if I will get the longest LPS, and basically in this question or in the first example I get the longest LPS to be a. So basically that is the LPS that I actually found. And if I cut that LPS in the starting and add it into the flood after reversing it, then it will become the answer. So that's what we have to do. So basically we have to apply, if you know the KMP algorithm, then you figure it out that how actually the KMP algorithm has been applied there. So first you have to find the LPS, and after finding the LPS, I will show you. Wait. So what I have to do here is that first I will create another string t, and inside that what I will do, I will store s. Then what I will do, I will reverse it. So t dot reverse, t dot begin. So t dot begin and t dot end. So if I see, I think so. What it should give? So I will create another string which is temp, and I have to create a double size string after reversing the string, and then I will check that what is the longest common prefix suffix till now, or basically it will tell me that what is the longest common prefix suffix. Okay, so if I see here that okay, a b c d, right, a b c d, and now what I will do, I will reverse it and add it. So a d c b a, d c b a. After that, what I will do, DCBA, and there is a dollar. So I will check that, okay, zero is there, then there is zero is there, then zero is there, zero is there, and zero is there. And after that, I will see that, okay, zero is there, zero is there. Okay, basically, I have to check, okay, zero is there. And what I have to add here, basically, I have to add something. So I have to check that what is the longest common prefix suffix at this position. Then the longest common prefix suffix in this array, if I remove this, so if I see that in this ABC, and then after reversing it, I will add that into the string. After that, I will find the LPS. The major problem in finding the LPS is basically I will take I here and then basically J here. Now I will see, will I is equals to J? No. Will I is at 0? Yeah. So I will move my J. Will I is equals to J? No. So will, okay. So after that, I will see, will I is equals to j? No. 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 So I will see that, okay, I is not equals to j. And after that, I will see, will I is equals to j? Yeah. So the longest palindromic string or longest common prefix suffix that I should get here is basically 0000, and this should be 1. So what it will tell me? So basically, this 1 tell me that if I want to create a okay, okay. So so what I have seen here is that okay, A, B, C, D, D, C, B, A. So if I want to create the longest palindromic string, it has been given that what is the characters that should I add in the front. So if this, so we have to think that if this string is a palindrome, then how it would look like. So it would look like this, that if I take this string and I will create another string after reversing it and add into it. After adding into it, I will find that what is basically the common string that I get, that what is the longest common prefix suffix. So I will see that if I create this to be a palindromic string, the longest common prefix suffix that I get till now should be 1. Right, it should be 1. So if so what this 1 tells me? So this 1 tells me that if this is a string, and now if you want to make that string a palindromic string, then one character basically here is a palindrome. So what I want to know in this question, I want to know that what is the total character that I have to add in front, and what all are that characters. So what I know is, okay, one character is matched. So I am left with how many character? I am left with BCD, three character. So it means that if I add that character in the front, and now what I want, I got, okay, so I understand that, okay, I have to add BCD, right? But how will I add BCD? So if I want to make this string A, B, C, D palindrome, so it means that I have to add BCD, but after reversing it. So I will get this string, and after getting this string, what I will do? I will reverse it. After reversing it, I got DCB. So if I see here that if I find that, okay, this is the LPS, so how will I think it that, okay, what I know, I have given the string, I have to make that string a palindromic string. So what I will do, I will take another string or another variable inside it. I will store my string and then reverse it. After reversing, I will add it. After adding, I will know that, okay, basically this is my palindromic string. After knowing that this is my palindromic string, what I will do, I will find that what is the longest common prefix that I will get. So I will get that, okay, basically one is the longest common prefix that I will get. So what this one tells me? So one tells me that if you take this string, then one length character has been become a palindromic string. So it in the question it is given that I have to make this whole string a palindrome. And now I have four length and one length become palindrome. Then how much length I have to add to make this whole string palindrome. So I have to add that three length. So if if I know that I have to add three length, what all are that three lengths or what all are that characters? So that characters are after leaving A, I am left with BCD. So I have to add that BCD in front. So will I add it just like that, whatever that has been given, or will I reverse it? So I will reverse it. After reversing, I know that, okay, if I add that into the string, this is basically my palindromic string. So that's what we have to do. Hope you understand. So let's do this. So I will take, and after reversing, what I will do, I will take S, and after that, I will add a dollar there, and then after that, I will add T, and then find the LPS. So I will copy the LPS from this point. Uh, just copy it. And what I have to do, I have to take the length also, no? I have to find the LPS of this. So mm, int m is equals to what? Int m is equals to temp dot size. So m is there, and then oh, this is not needle. This is wait, ham. Okay, I will take temp and then I will calculate the LPS table. After calculating the LPS table, I will find that, okay, what is the length that I want. So it should be LPS dot size, because I want the last character. And then what I will do, I will create another string as an answer. Answer should be equals to what? So I know that, okay, this is basically the length. So the length will tell me the index. So I have to create the new string. So s dot sub str. And what I will do, I will start it from length, and then that's it. And after getting the string, what I will do, I will create another string, because I have to do the reverse of this. So basically, I got the string that I have to add in the front, and I have to do the reverse of this. After doing the reverse, answer dot end. I think so. That's what I have to do here. Answer dot end reverse. So A is equals to, I will take answer plus add s into it, and then I think so return. I will return on A. A. So suppose if I eh, so suppose if I have internship application is accepted in TCS or Infosys, just a service-based company, not so big company, then will they provide NOC? Yeah, they will. For tier 3, this is a big companies. So this solution is is accepted, and there is another question, that is happy prefix. Happy prefix. Okay, longest happy prefix, and we have to do the same thing. Now, if you see the code, what I actually do here is that what I have to do, I have to return that what is the longest happiest prefix. Okay, so I will create an LPS table, and that LPS table will tell me what ideal DSA plan roadmap for beginner. Complete DSA, then do some sheet without seeing the solution. Okay, and then jump to competitive coding. That's the ideal scenario. So we again create an LPS table, and after that, this LPS table will give me what is the longest common prefix suffix. So I will find out that what is the length of longest common prefix. So after I know that, I will cut the string from 0 to that particular length and return that string. So basically, this is a hard problem. I don't know why. Okay, so if you know that how to create LPS table, uh, this is easy. So let's jump to sheet. So I completed the string also. Now from tomorrow, not yeah, from tomorrow I will start stacks. Or maybe sliding window. Left with sliding window also, no? So wait a moment. I have to watch. I have to find out the sheet. Will I have a sliding window sheet? Yeah, I have. So let's start. So zero सवेरे sum. एक प्रॉब्लम है इंटरव्यू के लिए पूछी जाती है ये प्रीफिक्स सफिक्स भाई आप किसी you are also from that college I think so. Going to attend class will join after class. Yeah buddy, best of luck. Best of luck. Mhm. Okay, so let's start learning the sliding window, and after that we will attempt some questions. Okay, so there is a there is one question which is lead code 560 okay. So lead code 560. What's that? Subversum equals to K. So, so this is the simple question. कैसे जनाब बढ़िया एकदम. They are revision PDF created by you. Yep, this is created by me. I completed lecture and I will make notes and now I revise that notes. कैसा चल रहा है सब कुछ? I am AI ML student. Should I know Python? Should I do DSA in Python? Yeah, you can. DSA and Python, DSA is a different thing. It's not depend on any language. So what we have to do, we have given a question somewhere sum equals to k, and basically what we have to do here is that it is basically a prefix sum with hash map question, right? And I don't know how to apply the sliding window there, but I'll, uh, if we think the basic approach that it has been given that there is a subarray and I have to take a subarray, and after taking that subarray I have to calculate that what is the sum of that particular subarray, right? So after calculating this, what is the sum? If that sum is equals to k, I have to return that okay, this is the amount of subarray that I got. So if I see here, I want the sum is equals to 2. So if I see that okay, this subarray and this subarray has the sum is equals to 2, so there are two total 2. For AIML you should do Python. Yeah, 10th को कॉलेज जाओगे? uh, क्यों? नो नो, क्यों जाना है? अच्छा वो एफिडेविट. Oh, I don't think. No, no, no. How can I start DSA? If you want to start, then if you want to learn in English, then you can. go to Striver, or if you want to learn in Hindi, go to Coder Army. Learn whole data structures. After learning, so don't learn data structure, basically learn algorithms and patterns. कॉलेज स्टार्ट होंगे, नहीं नहीं नहीं, वो सब नहीं 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 भाई। कॉलेज वॉलेज नहीं जाऊंगा अब। कॉलेज स्टार्ट होंगे 10th, वो तो शायद फर्स्ट ईयर और सेकंड ईयर के हो रहे हैं ना, हमारे थोड़ी होंगे, हम क्या करेंगे कॉलेज आके। ओके, सो नाउ, so what I will do, that I have to check that what is the sub, so basically what I know that, uh, if I see a particular range from L to R, okay, L to R, this is basically subnet. Now, sorry, which source for Hindi you said? Coder Army. अरे ठीक है, तब भी नहीं जाऊंगा। कौन जाए भाई, क्या करेंगे वहां जाके, टाइम वेस्ट है पूरा। Okay, so what I see here is, okay, what is basically subarray? Subarray is a range. Subarray is an array of range L to R, right? Uh, so what I have to do? Basically, I have to return that if the subarray sum is equals to k. So what I will do, if I somehow know that what is the sum till this point, and also if I somehow know that what is the sum till this point. Okay, so if I subtract the sum from this point to this point, I got the sum at this range. So suppose that sum is equals to x. And if that x is equals to what? If that x is equals to k, I will tell that, okay, this is one of my subarray which has sum is equals to k. So in this, what I actually do? What I actually do is, so I will directly tell you the optimal approach here. So what is the brute force approach? You can use the three loops, okay, and three loops after that, for two loops to create a subarray, and one loop to calculate what is the sum of that subarray. And then second better approach is, you can use the prefix sum to pre-compute the sum. And in two array and big of n complexity, sorry, in big of n square time complexity, big of n space complexity, you can implement that. But what is the problem in that situation is that we are creating a subarray, and in this approach we are not creating a subarray. What I know is that what is basically subarray. Subarray is a array from L to R range. And what I know here is that, okay, subarray is an array of a particular range. If I know the sum till R, and if I know the sum till L, what I will do, I will subtract them. After subtracting it, I will get the sum of a particular range. If that sum is equals to k, what I know that this is my one of the subarray. Right, one of the subarray. So I will add it into the subarray that, okay, this is my subarray, right? So that's what we have to do. That's what we have to do, right? So how can we do this? So let's take this example. Okay, let's take this example. So what I will do, I will take 1 1 1 here, and I will calculate that what is the sum till this point. So if I see the sum till this point will be 1, fine. So, okay, fine. So what I have to check? I have to check that I got some. Okay, I got some sum, right? After getting some that sum, I will check will that sum comes previously or not. Right? Will that sum come previously or not? If that exact sum come previously, it means that whatever the elements that is present between that range will give me the sum is equals to 0. The sum is equals to what? 0. But we are finding for k. Right? We are finding for k, na? So if we are finding for k, what I will do? I will add k into it. So if I add k into this range, I have to subtract k from this range. Okay, subtract k from this range. Right. So that's what I actually do here is, so understand in terms of only 0, if you get the sum is equals to k, just subtract it. Just subtract it from whatever the sum you will get. To get that particular sum, I will get it or not. So how it has been implemented? Okay. So basically what I actually do here is that I know that this range has sum is equals to k. At this point, so suppose if I want to find the sum is equals to 0 here. Okay, so in this range, I want the sum is equals to 0. So suppose if I get 4 here and 4 here. So what it will tell me? It will tell me that, okay, if you want the sum is equals to 4 at both point, it means that whatever the element that is present in this range has sum is equals to 0. Then only after calculating the sum from this point to this point, you will get same sum that is present at previous index, right? So this is for 0. Now, what I want to know that I want to calculate that what I want to calculate. I want to calculate that say this Saveres sum is equals to suppose t, right? So how will I calculate 2? I have to think mathematically. I have to think mathematically. So what I know that okay, prefix of basically j if I get and if I subtract prefix of I, what I got is equals to k. I got this equals to k. Fine. So it means that prefix of j, if I see, will be equals to k plus prefix of what? Prefix of I. So what is this prefix basically? So if we see that the prefix is basically the sum till that point. So I can write it like sum also. So wait a moment. So sum till j minus sum till I will gives me the sum is basically equals to k, right? So this range sum. Now let's evaluate the mathematical equation that I got. So what I understand here is that okay, sum j is equals to k plus sum I. So what this will tell if I get sum I and if I add k into it, okay, if I get k into it, I will get sum j. Fine. So what I actually calculating? Will I calculating sum I or sum j? I am calculating sum j here, right? I will calculating sum j here, and then I am searching for sum I present or not. So will I find search for sum I or something else? So if I am searching for sum I, what I have to do? So basically, if I am searching for sum I, if I evaluate this, what I will get? After evaluating, this will go at this point. So now I have to evaluate this equation. So what this will tell me that if I am at any j point, if I am at any j point, I know the sum at that point. After knowing the sum at that point, what I will do? I will subtract k from it. After subtracting k from it, I will get the value is equals to sum I. It means that between the range, I got the sum whatever I want. So hope so you got the mathematical intuition that how actually the maths had been applied there. So we can think it like that that okay, I want the sum j minus sum basically sum I is equals to k, so I will evaluate it. It means that if I found the sum j, what I have to do if I want sum I want sum I, then I have to subtract minus k from it. So that's what we actually doing, and after that we will calculate it. So let's see. So what I will do, I know that okay, k is equals to what here. So basically, if I see the k is equals to 2 here, right? Now I get the sum. I got the sum. Okay, I will take I here. Now I will see, okay, what is the sum? I will get the sum is equals to 1. So I will subtract 2 from it. I will get minus 1. So if I get minus 1 here, okay, and now I get, suppose after calculating, I got 1 here. What it will tell? It will tell me that basically there is an element that is present between them, which gives me the sum is equals to 2, right? So that's why I'm searching for that. So I will see that, okay, minus 1 is not there. So what I will do, I don't know if minus 1 is not there. I will keep that sum inside some hash map or something because I want to track that will this sum come previously or not. So for tracking that, I have to store it somewhere, right? So I will store 0 here also because I know that when I am starting here, when I am starting from here, I already know that, okay, till this point, what is the sum? So sum will be 0. Basically sum will be 0 and I will store that how many times this sum will come. So why I store how many times? Because what I have to do, I have to return how many sub-arrays are there. So suppose there is 3 and after calculating I got 3 again and now I got 6 here. Okay, so I got 3 here, 3 here. Okay, and now I got sum is equals to 6 here. Okay, now I got sum is equals to 6 here, and now I am searching for that ho- how many times the 3 will come previously, because what 3 will tell. So 3 will tell me that okay, if you see that 3 previously, the element that is present between 3 and 6 will give me the sum is equals to k. So let k will be anything, I don't know what. So let's consider to be x, right? So let's consider to be x. So what I know here is that okay, if I got 6, I will search for 3. If I get 3, so it will tell me that okay, whatever the elements that is present between 3 to 6, this will give me the sum is equals to x. So I want to return that how many sub arrays that I got. Okay. So basically, if I consider this, this is one of the sub array. Now I see that okay, 3 will also come previously before this 3, before this 3, right? So this will also tell me that okay, whatever the element that is come between them will give me the sum is equals to x. So that's why I am storing that how many times this 3 will come. This will tell me that how many subarrays has been created. So there is one subarray which is this, and there is another subarray which is this. Right. So that's why I am storing that basically the count, how many times this subarray has been come. So I will store that okay, 0 has been come one time, and now this is basically my hash map. I will see that okay, I will store someone come one time. After that, what I will do, I will move my I pointer and I will add 2 into it. So I will see okay, 2 minus 0. So basically 2 minus 2. So I will get 0. So will 0 comes previously? Yeah, it will come one time. So it means that one subarray I already found, which is sum is equals to what? Which is sum is equals to 2. So if I see that, okay, yeah, I got this is one of the subarray which is sum is equals to 2. So I will store that I get that okay, count is equals to 1 here. After that I will move my pointer. I got the sum is equals to 3 here, and I will subtract 2 from it. I will searching for 2, will searching for 1. Will I get 1 previously? Yeah, I got. So I will increase the count. So after increasing the count, I know that okay, I got two subarrays which has sum is equals to 2. So I will return that count only. So hope so you understand that how actually we implement it, how actually we will do this. So let's start. So I will take one count here, which is initially 0, and there is int sum which is equals to 0 for int x nums, and then I will create an unordered map, unordered, unordered map int mp. Okay, and then what I will do, I will store initial value to be a 1. Okay, and then I will calculate the sum plus equals to x, and I am searching in a map that okay, mp dot count, mp dot count what? Sum minus k, mm, sub minus k. Okay, and then what I will do inside count, I will add okay, mp sum minus k. So why I will do plus equals to? Because I want to add all the sub arrays that I basically visited previously. So I will already explain this approach that okay, if I get 3 here and after some time I again get 3 here and I got 6, and now for 6 I am searching for 3, I got basically 2 subarrays. So the count will tell me that how many subarrays has been created. Okay, so that's why I will just do plus equals to, which tell me all the subarrays that I got. And otherwise what I will do? What I will do, I will store that, okay, this is the sum, I have to store that sum. And after that, what I will do, I will return return what? Sum. So this has been accepted. Uh, let's understand. So zero सवेरे sum एक बहुत ही आइकॉनिक प्रॉब्लम है। इसमें पूछे जाते हैं कि प्रीफिक्स सम और हैशिंग का एक डेडली कॉम्बिनेशन यूज करता है। ओके, सो आई ऑलरेडी सॉल्व दिस। सो बेसिकली दिस इज सवेरे सम इक्वल्स टू जीरो एंड आई क्या व्हाट या बटी। Okay, so I already solved this. Okay, and now there is a brute force approach. And I already explained the brute force approach, also the optimal approach also. Okay, optimal तक का postmodern maths behind. So पिछला prefix sum is equals to cumulative sum minus k that I already found. Okay, uh, टोटल सवेरे का काउंट प्रॉब्लम स्टेटमेंट। आपको एक इंटीजर ए और एक बी है दिया गया है, आपको उन टोटल सवेरे का काउंट रिटर्न करना है, उनके दो सम एग्जैक्ट बी के बराबर हो। ओके, सो देयर इज अ क्वेश्चन सब एरे जोर, आई थिंक सो सब एरे जोर, जोर सम, आई थिंक सो दिस विल बी ऑन लीड sum of zor of all sub array. Will this be in practice or not? I don't know. Sum of zor of all sub array. All sub arrays zor. Oh, what is this? What we have to do? Given an array and your task is to find all the integer that are the XOR sum. Or not this, not this. Uh, oh, where is that question? I don't know why. Uh, Leave it. So basically, in the XOR array, what we have to do, rather than using plus equals to, we have to use XOR equals to. And okay, you have to. There is one concept that you have to learn is that suppose if I want to do A minus B or A plus B, rather than this, we can also do it like this. So for plus and minus operation, we will use that XOR operation in place of this. So basically, in place of this, we can use this here. So basically, this is the XOR operation. So it is given that we have to return the sum. So let's try if we use XOR here. So basically, XOR will not work there. I think so. Let me try if this will work or not. So what I have to do is XOR here. And basically, there is a question on GFG. In that question, it has been given that we have to return the subarray sum XOR equals to K. So I think so. I can also use it here. So will this work? I don't think so. No, this will not work. So this is not that question. I'll find that question on GFG. I will do it previously, but I will not find it now. So not LeetCode 560 sub array XOR e equal to K practice. Counting sub array with given XOR. That is the another question. Let's try that. It has been given that, okay, what we have to do. Given an array of integer ARR and a number k, count the number of subarray having XOR of their element as k. Count the number of subarray have. Okay, that same question, yeah. So let's copy this. We will check that if that whatever the question that I already done will work or not. So wait a moment. Subarray sum equals to k. Subarray sum equal to k. Okay, this is the question. Let's copy this. Control C and we will copy. Where is that? Okay, I will use this ID. So if I paste it here, what I have to do? I have to return. I have to return what? Long, long. I don't have to return the length of a survey. Basically, I have to return this MP or another map, and that it will find. And then this should be nums, right? This should be nums. And this is Zor. I think so. This should work. Yeah. So that is sub array Zor GL Bajaj. What? What GL Bajaj? Bro, which university you in? AKTU University. So that's what we have to do in that question, and it is the easy question. So same as like that. I am not from GL Bajaj, buddy. Why are you thinking that I am from GL Bajaj? Sub array product less than K. So let's try. Let's try. I never done that question. I think so. So sub array product. Oh, I already done it. But how? Or when? Given an array of integer nums. Oh, when I completed that lecture, maybe at that time I will do it. But I really don't know how to solve it. So given an array of integer nums and integer k, return the number of contiguous subarray where the product of all the element in the subarray is strictly less than k. One of the approaches that I will calculate the product of, I will create all the subarrays. And after calculating all the after creating all the subarray, I will find the product of each element. Okay, but what is the size basically? Size will be 10 is to power 4. And if all the elements are 1000, foot length, okay. So one of the basic approach that I was thinking is, okay, if I do that, so basically I have to take long, right? Because, huh, अब नहीं मिलेगा, हील खत्म हो गया। तो घर पे नहीं मिलते? तो Acha. Sum into equals to what? X. And what? Bro, use US Eco Guide. I'm using that CP algorithm, but okay, how will I approach this question? Like, what should I think? 10, 5, 2, and 6. Now I would take 10 here. Okay, so let's, I will take, okay, so I will see that, okay, 10 is there, and now, okay, okay, I will use the sliding window here. Okay, okay, fine. So what I want the k is equals to, I want the, basically, product is less than 100. Fine. So I will see, okay, till that time the product will be what? 10. So I will move my J pointer. So I will calculate that, okay, one subarray I already found that, okay, there is one subarray which has count is equal, which has product which is less than k. Two pointer है optimal. Okay, I I've done this question I think so one time, so I don't know how to approach that. I was thinking that how I actually do this. Okay, after that, I will see that, okay, 50. And okay, so basically what I will do, I will create a product variable. Product will be 10, 1, and then I will see that, okay, product is 50, the count will, and after that I will see, okay, this should be 100, or it is given it is strictly less than key. So, so less than k. After that I will see, okay, if I add this, sorry, basically if I multiply this, what I will get? I will get 100, right? 100. So if I get 100, what I have to do? I know that this is not the sub-array. So what I will do? I will reduce basically what? Reduce the product. So how will I reduce it? So if I want to reduce, I will move my I pointer till it not become less than. So if I move my I pointer, what I have to do? I have to divide it with 10. So it will become equals to, if I divide it with 10, okay, wait, where I divided with 10. Yeah, I will divide it with 10. I got 10. So as I get 10, so what I know, this is one of the sub-array that that has been contributed here. It has been contributed. Fine. So mm, wait. Initially, I got this, and after that, what I will see, I will see that, okay, wait a moment. I will create a product which has some value, and then there is count which has some value. Initially, I will see that, okay, uh, this should be 10, right? So the initial product will be 10. So this is less than k. So what I will do, I will increase there is one sub-array. Now after that, I will see, okay, 5 is there. So basically, there is 5 is there. So what I know, what I know here is that, okay, this is 50, right? So this is 50. So 50 is less than k. Now, how many sub arrays that has been created? So basically, if I see, uh, two sub arrays are created. So I don't know, will I consider two or three? I will check it. Okay, so I will add it into the previous sub array that I got. So after that, I will move my pointer and I will see, okay, if I multiply this, what I will get? I will get 100, right? After getting 100, what I understand here is that, okay, I want the continuous subarray where the product of all the elements in the subarray is strictly less than k. So I want less than k. So basically it is equals to k. So what I will do, I will move my I pointer till I not get the product which is less than k. So I will move my I pointer here. After moving my I pointer, what I have to do, I remove that element. So as I multiply it, I have to divide that element, right? So as I divide that element, I got it equals to 10. So after getting 10, what I know that, okay, basically this subarray, this subarray will contribute. So there are basically how many subarrays that has been created. So the total subarray that has been created will be 5 and 2. So I think so it should be 5, right? After that, I will move my J pointer. And after moving my J pointer, what I've seen here is that if I multiply 6 with it, I got it equals to 60. So will this be less than K? So I will see, okay, yeah, this is less than K. This should be 6 and this is less than K. So as I was thinking, okay, if this is less than K, what I will do? पानी दे देगा यार सिर गर्म हो रहा है हाँ? सिर गर्म हो रहा है पानी दे दे उठ के मारने लगेगा क्या सिर गर्म हो रहा है अबे नहीं आंख सिर सब दर्द हो रहा है मेरा so I've seen that okay 60 is there and this has basically the product which has less than k which is 100 so what I will do how many surveys that has been created so how many surveys that has been created here or will I have to take the length if I take the length hmm, all the elements I got 8 so I got one survey is to be at 10 then 5 then 2 and 6 10 and 5 5 and 2 2 and 6 and okay so uh I have to take length, right? So as I taken length previously, I again have to take the length. So if I take the length, it will become 3 plus 5, which gives me 8. So if I take the length, what is the benefit of taking the length? So we will study that. What is the benefit of taking the length? I understand that somehow somehow I got the approach that how will I solve that question. But if I take the length, what is the benefit of that? So because if I got this has product which is less than k, so I see that okay 10 is there. So how many subarrays that has been created? So it's a one, right? After that, if I see here that okay, how many subarrays that has been created from this point? So I can create how many subarrays? Two subarrays. What is that subarray? So that subarrays are 5 and 5 and 10. Right. So after that, okay, I will move this. After moving this, so till the time there is three surveys that has been present. Fine. After that, if I multiply two, I got 100. So I want less than 100. So what I will do, I will move my J pointer. Now what I know here is that, okay, if I move this, I got two surveys. So what is that two surveys? So I already counted five previously. So what I will do, the two surveys that has been created from consider this point will be 2 and 2 comma 5 that is one survey which will be contributed after that I will move this pointer and this will give me three surveys so three surveys are 6 and 6 to and 6 to 5 okay hmm. so so basically taking the length will give me from this point okay I understand so basically what I want to create a survey that how many surveys are there so basically, if I consider J, so J will tell me that if I create any subarray, what is the last value on that subarray? So on that subarray, the last value will be that value which is present at J. And now I have to check how many. ये क्या है भाई ये क्या है भाई तुम्हारे सोच में क्यों लगाना है Oh, poor girl. Oh, I. Mm. Curtain, no curtain, sliding window. Sum, multiply, and now what I will do? Nums of j. And then after that, what I will do? I will count that how many sub-arrays that I got. So j minus I plus 1. Or will it be j minus I? I have to check. So if I am at this point, so this will be what index? A 0. Basically, this will be my third index and this will be my first index. 3 minus 1 gives me 2. So I have to add plus 1. So I will return that, okay, return me the count basically. And while what I will get, while my sum, or I will write this as prod, while I get the product is greater than k, what I will do? I will move my I pointer. So before moving my I pointer, what I will do? I will take the and product and what I will do? I will divide my product with what? With whatever the nums I have. I plus plus. I plus plus num j and then बार बार क्यों परेशान हो रहे हो बार बार माइक को मैं सुन मैं सुन लूंगा मैं सुन भी लूंगा तो कुछ होगा थोड़ी मैं सुन भी लूंगा तो कुछ होगा थोड़ी अबे ओ भाई इतना टेंशन नहीं है कुछ okay I got the count j j should be there and there should be I. Okay, what is this count? Oh, I have not created count here, right? Long two pointer of है optimal या बड़ी count equals to 0. I got the wrong answer. 48. 48. While product is greater than K. While the product is greater than K. mm, While product is greater than K, I've done something wrong. Oh, what the hell? Int. Why I got wrong answer? My logic is correct, but something went wrong. I got 71, I don't know how. So, if I see here, at this point, I got 0, fine. So, what is this test cases? What? The test cases that is given here are something else, and this is something else. So, while my product, I calculate that, okay, I got the product, and if I see, uh, so basically, I have to write this line before that. Yeah. Because after calculating the product, oh, I got the wrong answer again. Output should be 3, expected should be 1. Why I got 3 here? Okay, so if I see that, okay, product is equals to 1, I is equals to 0, j is equals to 0. I got 1. Now after that, I will multiply it with 1, and while after that I will see, will this product is greater than k? No, this is not. So as this is not greater than k, what I will do? I will do count j minus I. So j minus I plus 1. So j minus I plus 1, so this should give me 1 length. Fine. 0 minus 0 plus. After that, I will jump up to this. Why it should be 1? Because in the question it is given that given an array of integers, no, an integer can return the number of contiguous subarray where the product of all the elements in the subarray is strictly less than k. So there are total three subarrays. There are total three subarrays, 1, 2, and 1, 2. Okay, so from this three sub 1, 2, and 1, 2. So there are total two subarrays which has sum is equals to, or which has, okay, no, I have to return less, right? So what I will do, I will consider 1, and then 1 has to be counted. After that, I will see that, okay, k is equals to 2. Now I will jump up to next element, and then I will see that, okay, product is equals to what? Product is equals to previous product multiplied by the current element. Now I will see, okay, 2 is greater than k. Why this will not work? Why this will not work? I don't understand. But like why? Why this will not work? While product K is greater than K. I see that, okay, product is greater than K, I know. Mhm. I got the product and I see that if I dry run it, I will see that, okay, 1 is there, 2 is there, fine. Af- my J will be there and I will be there, fine. So I will see, okay, what is my J? So J will be 1. I will multiply it with the product what I have, and I will see will product is greater than K? No. So what I will do, I will count that, okay, basically there is 1 7. Count is equals to 1. After that, what I will do, I will see that, okay, okay, I will see my J has been increased, and after increasing my J will become what? My J will become 1. So and nums dot size. Yeah, it's nums dot size. So j will become 1. And now what I will do, I will multiply product with nums j. So what I will get, I will get the product equals to 3. Now I will see will 2 is greater than 2. While oh, it should be equals. That's why this will not work. Or product nums of I into prod long long. If prod is not equals to 0, or if nums I nums of I if nums of I. If buffer overflow, I will divide it with the nums, right? What's going wrong? Product divided by, what's the issue? What's the issue? What's the issue in this line? I'll get the product and I will divide it with my. I got, yeah, this is one of the cases. So basically, this will fail on this, right? If I take the two, right? If I take two, I will see that, okay, when j is equals to 0, I will multiply it with 2, and now k is equals to 1. Now I will see that will 2 is greater than equals to basically 1. Yeah, 2 is greater than equals to 1, so I will move my I. Oh, okay. So basically, I will move my I. So first what I will do, I will divide my 2 with it, and then I will move my I point. Then as there is one element, what I will do? I have to do something. But what? There is one element that is equals to k. Fine. Now I am at 0. So I will see that, okay, j is there, and I will multiply it with the product. I got 2. After getting 2, I will see will 2 is greater than equals to 1. So yeah, it is. So as this is greater than equals to 1, what I will do? Now product will be equals to whatever the product I have, I will divide it by whatever the current element that I have. So I have the current element equals to 2, so I will divide it by 2. I got 1. After getting 1, what I will do I plus plus. After coming out from the loop, I will see that, okay, will 1 is greater than equals to 1. Yeah, it is. 1 is greater than equals to 1. Yeah. So as 1 is greater than equals to 1, again this will divide. But I has moved. I has moved. That's the problem. I has been moved. I have to remove this equals to, and I think so. I have to check for that previous test case. That what I have to do on that. I have to do something else in this, or what I will do. I will see that, okay, there are three subarrays. From that three subarrays, if I get strictly greater than 2, so basically if product is strictly greater than 2, so what it is given that, so basically subarray is strictly less than. So if this is strictly less than, I have to write equals to there. Which year? Fourth year, buddy. So basically at equals to also I have to decrease it. So as I want to decrease at that point also, I have to manage that particular test case. So I have to manage that particular test case. So I have to think that how will I manage it. So if I get 2 here, if I see I is less than, I should be less than n, right? Something gone wrong. No, I have to do something else. How will I handle that I? Where are you from? Greater Noida. Huh. Product is just a product divided on MSI I plus. Product I plus plus. What should I do? How will I manage that if I crosses? So as I crosses. So after crossing, if I see that if I is greater than n or equals to n, what I will do, I will break the loop. At that condition, I will break the loop. Yeah, this is accepted. So after, I don't know, but this is accepted. पानी दे दे कहाँ गया पानी पानी कहाँ रख दिया अबे यार पानी ले आना पानी यार सीन में तो दो रहा है, पानी ले आजा so let's see what it is given और वो भी तो थी ये अरीना उसका क्या हुआ? हाँ, I see here that okay आपको एक पॉजिटिव इंटीरियर एरर दिया गया ओके I have already done this और there is two loops विंडो को कैसे एक्सप्लेनेशन करते हैं I know and that at some point what I am from second year any advice currently I am doing Strava it complete it give contest I would suggest that before trying watching any lecture try that question by yourself after that watch that lecture or tutorial or video whatever. Huh. Yeah, left is less than equals to right. Okay, so rather than checking, I will check it from n. So I think so I have completed this. The time complexity will be big or fine, I know because I am using only one. इस प्रॉब्लम को लीनियर टाइम में सॉल्व करने के लिए हमने प्रीफिक्स सम के साथ नंबर थ्योरी मॉड्यूलर अरिथमेटिक का एक छोटा सा कॉन्सेप्ट लगाना है ओके सो सब एरे सम डिविजिबल बाय के सो लेट्स सॉल्व दैट क्वेश्चन सब एरे सम डिविजिबल बाय के क्या हुआ okay sub array sum divisible by k so this is basic question what we have to do in this question is that one of the basic approaches that we will find all the subarrays. After that, we will take the sum of that sub element of that subarray and divide it by k. Uh, and if it gives me zero, it means that that particular sum is divisible by k, so I will calculate that, okay, one sub-array is there. This is the brute force approach. So it can use a big of n cube time because two loops to calculate that how many sub-arrays are there and one loop to calculate the sum. So that one loop that we are using to calculate the sum, we can also pre-compute that sum using the prefix array. Okay, prefix sum. So we will create a prefix sum array. Inside that we will pre-compute whatever the sum at a particular point, and we can pre-compute the sum. And then we go of n square time, we can know that what are the sum. Okay, and of all subarrays, and then we can divide it by k to know if that is divisible by k or not. So according to that, we can calculate the sum, or we are calculating the number of subarrays that we have. Now the optimal approach is what I know that what is basically subarray. So basically, sub-array is a array from L to R, means a left to a right point. Now, what I know is now पाइनएप्पल पाइनएप्पल तुम्हें पसंद है पाइनएप्पल तुम्हें पसंद है ओ नाइस मुझे पसंद है दीदी हमारे गांव नहीं मतलब जहाँ पे मेरा जन्म हुआ है वहां पे आता था एक पाइनएप्पल वाला तो उसका डेली का था कि जब भी वो हमारे दरवाजे के सामने से निकलेगा तो एक पीस मुझे दे के जरूर जाएगा उसका फिक्स था एकदम डेली का So basically, what we have to do here is that we have to calculate what I know. That basically, if I want to know the sum of a particular range, so if I pre-compute the sum, and if I know the sum at this point, and if I know the sum at this point, right? So if I subtract this, after subtracting what I know that this gives me the sum of this range. What's your lead code rank? It's I don't know. You can check it. I already give link in the description. So that's what I know that okay, P sum if I want to know the sum from L to R, I know the sum till R and I know the sum till L here. So I will subtract it. After subtracting, I know that okay, what is the sum in this range? Now after knowing that sum, what I want to do? I want to take modulus with K. And if this sum give me equals to 0, then it means that what does it mean? So it means that basically uh, that this is the one of the subarray which is divisible by k. Fine. So how will we calculate it? How will we calculate it? So if there is a minus b, okay, one thing I know is okay, if there is a minus b, if I take modulus with k, maybe I was thinking that what I actually do, that if I know that modulus property a minus b modulus k is equals to 0, then I can also write it like this: a modulus k minus of b plus what? Will I add b or no? I will add k here. K plus b modulus k. Okay, and basically that's what is the modulus property. And if I say I will write it equals to 0. So after writing it equals to 0, what one thing I know is okay, a modulus k minus k and this should be minus b modulus k which is equals to 0. So this is little bit mathematical. Okay. So Hope so you understand that what I actually do is that I will write the P sum of R is equals to A, right? And P sum of L is equals to uh P sum of L is equals to B. Now this is basically the modulus property that if I do A plus B modulus. So if I do A modulus B, A plus B modulus K, this will give me A modulus K, B modulus K. This is B modulus K. Fine. And after that, if I see here that, okay, if this is negative, then in negative, we are calculating it like this. This is how we can calculate the modulus in what? In negative. So I can evaluate it. So I will see that, okay, minus k is there, minus b is there. So I will write that, okay, a modulus k minus k, it will be equals to b modulus k. So first we have to understand it, what is basically a modulus k and b modulus k. Okay. So a modulus k is something like something called as remainder 1. So remainder 1 minus k is equals to remainder 2. So what we will do here is that, okay, we will find some remainder. After finding that remainder, what I actually do is I will subtract k from it. Okay, I will subtract k from it, and after subtracting k from it, what I have to check? I have to check, will this after subtracting the k from it, if I see that, okay, this remainder will come previously. So if this remainder comes previously, what it will take? So think in terms of, if I want to find the sum which has remainder equals to 0. So if I want to know the sum has remainder equals to 0, so when it has remainder equals to 0, so if I see that, okay, this has some sum and this has some sum, and if I take the element between them, this will give me the sum which has remainder equals to 0. So that's how we have to think here. So I will find some sum. Okay, and after finding some sum, we will calculate the remainder, and I will subtract k from it. After subtracting k from it, I will check that, will that remainder कौन सा क्वेश्चन है? ओ बढ़िया, ग्रीडी का क्वेश्चन है। ग्रीडी का क्वेश्चन है, मैंने ग्रीडी की शीट भेजी है, उसमें पहला ही क्वेश्चन है। कुकीज, ये सोचना है सबसे ज्यादा कुकीज कब मिलेगी, ऐसा करके सोच। हाँ, वो ग्रीडी अप्रोच। हम्म। हाँ। तो आई थिंक सो वही है वो ग्रीडी, उसमें ग्रीडी लिखा हुआ है, देखने टॉप। तो फिर वो ऐसी होगा। हाँ, वैसे ही होगा वो। हम्म। 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 थोड़ा और से, थोड़ा गलत, थोड़ा। So that's what we have to do. We have to calculate the remainder. After calculating the remainder, we have to subtract k from it. But if I subtract k from it, what I know? After subtracting, I got the negative value. But will there is any negative remainder ever comes? See, I know that, okay, negative remainder never comes. So what I will do, I will add k into it. So if I see that, okay, remainder will become negative. So if I get the negative element, I will take modulus with k. After taking modulus with k, what I will see here is that, okay, if I take modulus with k, okay, after taking modulus with k, what I will see? I will see that, okay, basically this is the negative element. So if I get, so it means that I got the negative remainder. But what I want the positive remainder. So what I will do, I will add the remainder into it to make it positive. So why I will add the remainder? So basically, if I see a circle, mm, so if I see a circle, okay. So if I see that, okay, one is there, okay, and if I see that two is there, so basically that are remainder. Okay, so basically three is there, four is there, and five is there. Okay, so if I calculating the remainder from this side, the remainder will be four. But if I calculating the from this side, the remainder will be minus two. So it means that minus two is equals to four. If I seeing the remainder, so whenever I get the minus two, okay, what I will add basically here. So okay, I want four here, right? So how will I get four? Or will I get four or will I get three basically? So I have to check. Okay. So it means that क्या हुआ? Oh. मैं डर गया क्या हो गया भाई? ओ यार मेरा आह ओ भाई मेरा ईयरफोन फुल साउंड पे रहता है और डर यार हम्म। कोई बात नहीं मुझे लगा क्या हो गया भाई okay if I see zero remainder is there and now minus one is there and I think so minus two will be this so right and minus three will be this should be minus four so I get minus four here okay so uh basically zero and this should be one remainder so will I start it from this point so no I have to consider this to be a zero fine and this is considered to be a 1 this is to be a 2 and this is to be a 3 and this should be equals to 4 so this is equals to 4 so this is basically 0 this should be minus 1 so minus 1 and I will take the total length so 5 minus 1 which year fourth year 5 minus 1 so basically after adding 5 into it this will give me 4 fine I understand that what I have to do here so we have to calculate that okay int count which is equals to 0 int int what int sum is equals to 0 for int x and nums and then after that what I will do I will see that okay sum plus equals to x after that I will calculate okay what is the remainder so remainder is basically sum modulus k and I will see that okay if I will see that okay remainder is less than 0 what I will do I will do a ram equals to ram plus k okay भाई रोज आज और कल मिला के 40 क्वेश्चन खत्म है भाई हो जाएंगे तो भाई साहब क्रेजी हो जाएगा कुछ हम्म अरे कोई बढ़िया वाला आ जाए हार्ड कितने हैं और वो भी वो भी करा हुआ है बाकी सब तो ठीक, बाकी सब तो कर लोगे। अब मैंने 250 वाले सारे कर लिए हैं, कर दूंगा। चलो मैं भी करूंगा, मैं भी करूंगा। मैं तो आज कल पूरे दिन, चलो कल 2 पॉइंटर खत्म। अरे कंपटीशन नहीं है, इट्स नॉट अ कंपटीशन। देखता हूँ करके हो जाएंगे, अच्छी बात है। MP dot count, it's prefix sum. Yeah, I know. So what I have to do, I am searching for that remainder. If I get that remainder, what I will do, I will count plus is equals to MP rem. And otherwise, what I will do, I will store that. Okay, I will found that remainder previously and return return count. Yeah, I will return the count. I think so. Why take time? I have done something wrong. Will the time limit exceed or will the internet goes? What's the issue? I've seen that okay in some modulus K. Why take too much time? What the hell? Int count, int. Oh yeah, this is accepted. So I will see. Oh yeah, I already completed the. Okay, sum is equals to zero. Sum two mod k is equals to mod k. Okay, fine. Negative remainder warning. Okay. So I know that okay, sum 2 minus sum 1 is equals to mod k, then sum 2 mod k, sum 1 mod k, fine. So C++ code for optimal code, I know that this is the answer. I already done this. Contiguous survey. So I already done that contiguous survey. That is basically easy question. So I will try that something new. So sub array. Wait, neat code. I have to open the neat code here. We'll take this one. Okay. This some contiguous target move. First occurrence. Where is that? Yes, where is some order? Periodic. Oh, I already done this. Let's try this. So make sum divisible by p given an array of positive integer. Remove the smallest subarray such that the sum of remaining p. It is not allowed to remove the whole array. Return the length of smallest subarray that you need to remove, or minus one, it is impossible. Given an array of positive integers, remove the smallest subarray such that the sum of element is divisible by p. Okay, it is not allowed to remove the whole array. Okay, I have given p, right? I have given P. Basically, make some divisible by K. Given an array. Fine. Try 45. Ah, what's that 45? You are given zero index array of integer nums of length and you are initially positioned at 0. Each element num I represent the maximum length of forward jump for I. In other words, if you are at index I, you can jump to any index I plus b. Return the minimum number of jump to reach index n minus 1. The test cases are generated such that you can reach index n minus 1. So first, okay, what I have to do? We have zero index. Okay, you are given a zero indexed array of integer nums of length n. You are initially positioned at index 0. Fine. And now I have to think that each element nums I represent the maximum length of forward jump from index I. In other words, if you are at index I, you can jump to any index I plus j, any index. Fine. Okay. Okay. So if I am at 2, initially at 0 length, so I can take the max to max jump of 2. So I can take a jump of 1 so that I can reach up till 3, and after that I will take the jump of 3. Okay, so after taking the jump of 3 I can reach up till n minus 1. Okay, and either I can take a jump of 2, so I will reach at 1, and then after that, so basically I have to take the optimal jump, right? Okay, so I know that if I am at 2, I have to check that after picking next one, after picking next one, will I reach till n minus 1 or not? If I think it like that wherever I am, if I pick next one, and this will, yeah. So after picking next one, if I reach till n minus 1, then what I will do, I will jump up to next. Otherwise, what I will do, I will take the next, let's try. So what I will see 2, 3, 1, 1, 4. Fine. Now I am at I, and now what I will see, okay, I can take a jump of 1 and a jump of 2, right? So as I take a jump of 1 and jump of 2, what I was thinking is, okay, I will check that what is the next element. So if I take a jump of 1, will I reach till n minus 1? So, okay, so I will see that, okay, what is the next element? So the next element, after adding that current element, no, after not adding current element, what I will do, I am at index 0. So after adding the next element, okay, after adding the next element, oh, how will I know that how much jump I should take? So I know that I have values equals to 2. So where I get a problem? Where I get a problem? So I got a problem when I get 0 somewhere. Okay, so I know that. Oh, I think so. Basically, I have to check that. Okay, I am at some point, and if that is not equals to 0, it means that I can take a jump of 2. So I will check that how much jump I should take. So maybe I know that, okay, I can take a jump of 1 or a jump of 2. So I have two possibilities. So what I will do, I will check that, okay, after taking the jump of 1, will I reach n minus 1 or not? So if I reach n minus 1, then it means that I have to take the jump of 1. And otherwise, what I will take the jump of whatever the element that I have. That what I was thinking. Will I think in right direction or not? So how will I implement this? I have to think about it. Int n is equals to num size. Int count is equals to 0. Now, while I is less than n, mhm, I is less than n. Now, int lm, which is equals to whatever the num set I. Now, what I will do, I will check that, okay, if mm, currently I am at 2, currently I can take a jump of 2, right? So, what I will do, so what I will do that, okay, if if I consider my index and after adding nums of I plus 1 into it, so I can go still n minus 1, right? Less than n minus 1. So if I see that, okay, I will take the current index 0, and after taking current index, okay, and add, can use pointer for every range, check maximum. Yeah, I was thinking like when I'm at 0, basically when I am at 2, I have two possibilities that I can take a jump of 3, jump of 1 and jump of 2. So I will check that, okay, if the next element that has been given, if I see that if after considering that element, if I reach at n minus 1, then I will consider, okay, and oh, will I reach n minus 1 or will I wait a moment? Will in the one jump no, 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 no. In one jump I have to check, okay, basically I have to check the maximum that mm, from taking the next element, will I jump till maximum, or if I consider this element, I will jump till maximum. So basically what I was thinking, okay, I will take that, okay, max of nums of I, comma nums of I plus 1. So if I consider that, okay, if I consider this element, how much jump I would take? So I can take a jump of 2. And now if I considering the next element, how much jump I would take? So I would take the jump of 3, right? I would take a jump of 3. So I would take the jump. So if I know that, okay, after considering the next element, I will get the jump of 2. So I don't have to use this. Mm, no, 2 basically. Fine. Mm, if nums of I plus 1 is greater than nums of I, then what I would take? I would take the next element for the, and this will tell me that how much jump I would take from this position and now where I am currently in. So okay, so int element is equals to nums I. So there is no need of element I think. So I will see that, okay. If I see that, okay, if nums basically I plus 1 is greater than nums of I, what I would take? I will take basically I will increase the count, right? I will increase the count. I will take the jump of 1, and after taking the jump of 1, uh, I plus plus, and after that what I will take, I will do. So either I will take I is equals to mm, wherever I present, uh, I is equals to nums of nums of Mm, ah, mm, mm. I plus equals to nums of I, and either I would increase that, okay. Basically, wait a moment. If I will try run it, if this will work or not, I don't know. I plus plus. And what I will see here is that, okay, when I'm at I will see that I don't have to calculate the same. So I will see what is maximum. So from 2 and 3, I will see that, okay, 3 is greater 1. So I will increase that, okay, I have to take jump of 1 and then I will increase I. So I will be there. After that, okay, I have to remove this. Okay, I will see that, okay, when I'm at this point, and I will see that which one is greater. So else will else will be there, and if I see that, okay, current current element has greater value, so what I will do, I will move my I from I plus equals to nums of I. So it will be on 1 and now I will reach. So after jumping at this position, or I will see that, okay, if this value is, wait, so basically I have to increase the count here also, no? I have to increase the count here also. And if I see that, okay, what I will see that, okay, if basically after taking the jump of this, if I is greater than equals to n minus 1, then I will return whatever the count is. And uh return count. Okay, while I is okay. What? And I is equals to 0. Okay, this is accepted. Oh, I got a runtime error because at n minus 1, okay, n minus 1. Uh. Hmm. When I'm at 2, I will take the jump. Okay. If I see that after, I will add else here. And if I see that, okay, if I will see, okay, nums of I, uh, not nums of I, after adding I plus nums of I, and if it is greater than equals to n minus 1, what I will do? I will return count plus plus, and I will return the count. Return the count. Wrong. Question number is 45. 45. Hmm. Would be one, then I will see that okay. After taking a jump of 4, after taking a jump, basically I have to move this. After taking the jump of 4, he will reach there. And then you have to take at least 2 jump. But if, yeah, after taking the jump of 4, you will reach there. And then I will see that which one is maximum. If this is maximum, I will see that okay, num psi is greater than num psi plus 1. No. So what I will do, I will take the jump of this 4. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. I will reach there. After that, I will take a jump of 1, and in one jump, total I will take 3 jump. But it required only 2. How it would require to only 2? Okay, yeah, I know. Because max to I don't have to reach till the maximum point. I can take a 4 and 1, 4 and 1, 4 and 1. Greedy point. Okay, okay. Greedy point, 2 pointer. Greedy 2 pointer. I was thinking, wait, wait. Mm, I'll take 4, and when I'm at 4, I will jump to the nearest maximum. Nearest maximum. So one pointer is at that point. Another pointer, I think so. Another pointer will. So it should be what? Tell me the question number, please. Why कितने topics DSA कितने question? कितने topic कर लिए DSA के? Greedy plus 2 pointer. And yeah, I am already completed only 2 pointers. Thank you. Mention not, buddy. I am completed 2 pointer and hash map. That's it. And now I'm continuing towards sliding window, but I'm trying this question. Let me try. Uh, so if I take a 2 pointer, so okay, what I have to do? I have to do that. Okay, I plus j can jump to any dash. Okay, it is given in the question, right? It is given in the question. I can take a 2 pointer. I'm using that 1 pointer only. Okay, so basically 1 pointer is setting at some point, and after that, uh, another pointer is on another point. Fine. And then what I will do, I will check that from both of the pointer which one is maximum. So no, I will start it from 0. Fine. And start it from 0. And now what I will do? What I will do? I will take I on 2. Let me think. 2, 3, 1, 1, 4. 2, 3, 1, 1, 4. Now, what I have to do here is that okay, I have to consider that how much jumps should I take. So, where this has been failed. So, this will be failed on this question, right? So, 4, 1, 1, 3, 1, 1, 1. And after that, I will see, okay, I is there and J is there. Now, I is there and J is there. Now, what I know that I can take a jump. But as I want to take a jump, I will see that what is the maximum jump that I can take. So before reaching till the last point, I have to see that will I get any other maximum? Will I get any what is the maximum at that particular range? Right. The maximum at that particular range. So I see that maximum is 3. But how will I know that if the maximum is 3 or not? So I will move my J pointer till I not get a greater, no, till I get the greater value. What I will do? I see that 2 is there, and if I take a jump of 2, I will reach on that point. Fine, 1 and 2. I will reach at that point. So what I will do, I will take only the jump of 3 here. Uh, it's DP to me, like DPI is supposed to minimum with TL reach. Okay, guys, I will try this question after some time because I think so I got a fever now. So I will try it. Definitely I will try it. Okay, and meet you tomorrow. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Good night.